You're sitting in your living room, the sunlight filtering through your windows, coffee in hand, and your space feels incomplete. Something's missing, right? What if I told you the secret to transforming your coffee table into a centerpiece of calm, style, and life is as simple as adding the right plant? In this video, we're exploring the best low-maintenance, eye-catching plants to spruce up your coffee table. The jade plant is a classic choice for a coffee table. This succulent, also known as the money tree, thrives in indirect light and requires only occasional watering, making it easy to care for. For something unique, air plants are a fantastic option. These plants don't need soil to grow and can be placed in creative holders like glass geraniums or wooden blocks, giving your table a chic, modern look. Another great option is the spider plant, known for its cascading variegated leaves. It's perfect for adding movement to your table, and it's non-toxic to pets, so it's safe for homes with furry friends. If you're looking for something compact, the baby rubber plant is a wonderful choice. With its glossy round leaves, this plant adds a refreshing touch to small spaces and requires minimal watering. For a variety of shapes and colors, succulents are a must. They thrive in neglect, needing very little water, and come in many different forms, perfect for customizing your coffee table's look. Cacti are a great way to add a modern edge. These hardy plants are low maintenance, and some even bloom with beautiful flowers, offering a touch of color to your table. Aloe plants, such as the compact spider aloe, are perfect for smaller tables. Not only do they look stunning, but they're also useful for treating burns or skin irritation. For a pop of color, consider the blushing bromeliad. This plant features striking red centers before it flowers and does well in bright, indirect light. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is another excellent coffee table option. It has sleek, sword-like leaves and thrives with minimal care, making it a perfect choice for beginners. If you want to add some floral beauty, the Cape Primrose is a stunning option. With soft velvety leaves and colorful blossoms, this plant adds a touch of elegance to your table. The asparagus fern has delicate feathery foliage that softens the look of any table. It thrives in indirect light and adds a lush, airy feel to your space. For a larger, dramatic look, the Boston fern offers beautiful arching fronds that bring a natural touch to your table. It needs a bit more care, but is well worth it for its lush green presence. The grape hyacinth brings clusters of blue flowers that brighten up any table. This plant thrives with moderate watering and partial sunlight. The African violet is perfect for adding vibrant colors to your coffee table. With its colorful soft flowers and fuzzy leaves, it adds a cheerful touch and blooms year-round. Lucky bamboo is not only stylish, but also symbolizes good fortune. It's incredibly easy to care for. Just place it in water or soil, and it'll thrive with minimal attention. For a true conversation starter, consider an indoor bonsai. These miniature trees require a bit more care, but are incredibly rewarding with their intricate beauty and unique look. The polka dot plant is known for its colorful speckled leaves that come in shades of pink, red, and white. It loves indirect sunlight and moist soil, adding a playful touch to your coffee table. Pothos is an excellent low-light plant that's also known for purifying the air. Its trailing vines look stunning when placed in a small pot on your coffee table, or you can let it cascade over the edges for a dramatic effect. The prayer plant is a stunning addition with its red-veined leaves that fold up at night, resembling hands in prayer. It thrives in indirect light and needs consistent moisture. Finally, the Gerbera daisy brings a cheerful burst of color with its bright flowers. These colorful blooms will lift your mood and brighten up any coffee table. And there you have it, 20 fantastic plants that bring life, color, and style to your coffee table. Whether you're after something low maintenance or a plant with a bit more character, There's something here for every space. Which one will you choose for your home? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more indoor gardening tips.